yourself some.
Get you some. I mean, a couple.
We're gonna make cup cozies. Yeah?
Cup cozies.
Cup cozies. We're gonna make the kind that you work in rows and then you can button it. You button it underneath this section. So that's what we're gonna do. No pattern. We're just gonna do it. This is kind of a really small cup, so I would have to do.
Do you want to measure mine?
Sure.
We're not racing this time. We're just doing it.
Friendly. It's just a nice project and with friends. No competition.
Just kidding.
Even though I'm halfway done with mine already.
And I had to run to go grab
yarn.
She's already done.
It's fine. So you're basically just knitting or crocheting a rectangle.
Yeah.
So
basically.
Just back and forth in little rows. And then you're measuring this direction, yeah? So you can see how big you want it.
Yep.
This one will just, it would just cover the whole thing. That wouldn't be too bad though. Keep it nice and warm. I should tell people that Danielle saved the day for me yesterday.
I did?
Yes, at Dunn Brothers.
We love Dunn. Well, we love some Dunn Brothers.
We love some Dunn Brothers.
I was gonna say, we love Dunn Brothers. Wait, no.
Yeah.
Some.
So, it was my birthday yesterday.
Happy birthday.
I have the apps for Dunn Brothers and Caribou and Starbucks. And I use my app all the time for Caribou and Starbucks. Because Caribou, I don't have my card connected to it. You don't have to get points.
Oh. There's a husband here.
Oh my gosh, it just came in the door. Get out. I told you never to come in the West Wing. Do you realize what could have happened?
Get out. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No, but really, come back. We love
Come
you.
back, it's fine. So, Starbucks, you have to like load money on the app to get your stars. Caribou, you don't. They check you in. You can pay however you want.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Dunn Brothers,
It was just for rewards, right?
Well, I've never used a card on there, ever. But I've always gotten my birthday drink. Because they just scan it and then they give me my birthday drink because I have credit on there. I never had to load a card.
Hi, Matt.
Hello.
You're now in the video.
You what?
You're now in the video.
Hello.
You're in our video.
Video world.
So I went to Dunn Brothers to get my birthday drink the day before my birthday.
Because they usually give you like a week or something.
They do. I had an email saying come in, and they don't say you have to load your card. It's just like, come on in. You have a credit, come use it. So I order my drink and then I tell them whatever. And it's at the same Dunn Brothers I always go to. And they're like, well, you have to there's no card on this. You have to put a card on this. I'm like, why do you need my bank account money to redeem credit that you gave me? And then she tried to explain it to me sort of condescendingly. And she's like, does that make sense? I was like, no. But I'll just pay for it. So I usually don't get ornery, but then I was because it doesn't make any sense. So then Danielle has her Dunn Brothers closer to her house. And we went there yesterday and they know her, so I didn't have to use the app and she just said it was my birthday and I got my drink.
Yay.
She saved the day. So.
And then my favorite moment was when Abby was equaling out her flavors, her honey and her milk, and let's dump a little more coffee out and honey and milk.
It's my laugh.
I mean, it took 10 more minutes than normal, but whatever.
It's true.
What are you doing?
Making my drink perfect for myself. It needs more.
This, that.
I think we've won.
Are you a happy Abby yet?
Yep. It's also nice and cooled off.
Oh, perfect.
All right.
Okay, take a sip. There. That's the look we were going for.
I think this is big enough.
It's so cute.
So I just wrapped it around there. And then we'll make little ties. We're gonna button it.
I have buttons in my room. Cute little buttons. Cute little buttons
Little button.
for your coffee. Matt's making a sandwich. Is that what you're doing, Matthew? Mm-hmm. I should have done a bigger stick. This would have gone faster. Oh my gosh. We're gonna increase size.
Hello.
Oh no.
Yes. Oh.
He does that a lot.
Hello again. Hello.
I don't know how he does that with his phone.
All right, you're so close now.
Yep.
So finished mine, put a button on. I just did slip stitches and then I made 3 chains and then kept slip stitching to make my buttonhole. And then button it around. Your coffee's so full, I'm so
It
scared.
is. Don't dump it. You'll get coffee on
It would be the worst. So then it just gets buttoned underneath. Then it splits around the handle.
Yeah.
So I did back and forth. I did single crochet and half double, and I worked in the back loop of the half double, so I got the ridges all along. So let's see if it works on this guy. Look how big it is.
Cute.
So this one's so big.
Okay.
You're so close.
I am.
You're working right over by the
Uh-oh, low battery.
stuff is falling
Uh-oh.
down.
Uh-oh. So, I'm taking mine. I'm gonna just my little button. Put it.
What the heck is that?
What is it? Let me see.
Tikva,
Tiki.
don't touch my
Like the
purse.
side door, door, not the
She's
back
like
door.
gonna dump it upside down. Please don't.
She would.
All my unmentionables will come out. What is in my purse?
Don't do it. So maybe I put my little button on there. I still have a tail. There's a toddler chasing a teenager who's got M&Ms. I mean, it's bound for disaster. So, just weaving that in, kind of. So, and I kind of like brought the ends in a little bit, so it kind of has a little bit of a point. So when you put it over it, and it curls because I've got to block it, but it'll be good. Like if you want to have your mug be so fat and wonderful,
Gonna keep all your coffee warm.
so warm in your hands. It's like a sweater mug, a mug sweater.
It is.
I know, this is full. Like I'm nervous it's gonna just splatter all over.
Take a little sip out of there.
Okay, so there it is. It's like so super fat and cozy. I love it so much.
cute.
So then she, just like Abby said, just kind of connects right here. I like how it like brought it in a little bit to have a little point.
There
So
we go.
cute. Woo! Gonna drink out of this.
It better.
So there you go. Coffee cozies.
Coffee cozies.
Mug sweaters.
Mug sweaters.
Mug sweaters. All right, go make one. Bye.